Hey Cash, where's your belly button? Can you show Mama where your belly button is? That's right, that's your belly button. Very good. Can you show me where your toes are? Where are your toes? There they are. That's so good, Cash. You're really smart. Yeah? What is that? Hey Cash. Cash. Touchdown! Yay! Good boy. What's that? Is that a ball? Is that a ball? That's the ball Granny gave you, huh? After Bruno ate yours. That's right. That's a ball too. Cash, you're right. Those are both balls. Very good. Who's the smartest little boy in the whole wide world? Yes, you.